Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy, crispy, kids loving evening snack recipe using plantain that are very ripe. So let's move on the recipe. So now I'm going to cut both the edges of the plantain. Make sure that the plantain is stiff and thick. Peel off the skin of the plantain well. These plantains always carries a flavorful taste on its own. So now if you see, I have peeled the skin of the plantain, and if you see, you have to cut all the plantain as shown in the form of fingers. Now you just have to soak the plantain pieces into a fresh water bowl so that you can avoid the discoloration. After making all the pieces, if you have pieces that are very big, you can cut the pieces into half and make some more pieces from that. So now the pieces are ready. You can keep it aside. And now in a plate, I'm going to add 3 spoons of corn flour, 3 spoons of wheat flour. Instead of wheat flour, you can also use raw rice flour or maida. For some spiciness, I'm going to add 1 spoon of red chili powder and the salt that is required for this mixture, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Give a good mix to the mixture so that all the masalas incorporate each other. So after mixing the mixtures, here I'm going to add half a cup of thick curd. Instead of curd, you can also add 2 eggs. But I always do prefer curd, as curd carries the tanginess, and we can also avoid some raw smell from the veg dish. Now the mixture binding is ready. We are going to just marinate all the pieces of the plantain to it first, and then we are going to use some breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs I have prepared from the fresh bread. I have just grinded all the bread into smooth breadcrumbs. Coat it well, coat all the pieces well so that the coating doesn't come out while frying. In another case, you can also just place all these coated plantain pieces into the refrigerator for some time and then you can start frying it. Or you can also fry it directly after coating. Now if you see, the oil is in medium hot. Add the pieces of plantain and fry in medium flame till the golden color arises. Make sure that the mixture doesn't come off well. Instead, to avoid that process, you can keep the pieces in the refrigerator for half an hour minimum. If you see now, the bubbles have subsided. After some time or 2 minutes, you can see our plantain fingers are ready. This snacks have its own taste. Kids will love a lot as we have the breadcrumb coating with it, and it's very crispy as well. Definitely this dish will have an impact on the kids with its taste, and the kids will always love to have it. Please do subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut if you have liked this video, and give your comments in the comment section. Please do watch Nisha's Food Hut for more spicy recipes and easy recipes. Stay connected, keep watching, meet you soon.